Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this. This is absolutely hilarious. Hilarious. Now I got asked if I wanted to do a little demonstration of this. Now it's from a company called Hi Crochet and they do lots of crochet kits. They do lots of kits on their website. It is a fantastic place to go and have a little rummage around in. I saw these fans that they did and it's a handle and wire and the kit contains the yarn and I think it'll do the pattern as well, and it makes like a dream catcher, but not a dream catcher. It makes a fan and it's a big doily. You crochet the doily and you put it around the wire, and I don't know how it's put around the wire, whether it's crocheted near the end when you've done your doily or you sew it in, but they look absolutely amazing. I'm going to ask them if they'll send me a couple, because they look the doilies look beautiful. But they've got little toy kits. They've got ones where you just crochet them and it makes little animals, and they've got these. There's lots of other things you can buy from them. You can buy little jumping kits that make these. Look at this. This is from Hi Crochet. Look at this. This is a little walking elephant. There's lots of different ones on the website. You can buy these little windy up kits, these little things on their own as well. So if you want to make your own little animal and you can put it on it and it'll walk around. Look at that. Now in the kit, now I haven't actually opened up the kit, you get a little bag of stuffing for your little animal. You get, is that online pattern, YouTube tutorial. So there's a YouTube tutorial, or you can go online and get the pattern. I thought they would have had the pattern in it. There is a, I've got Muttley crying down here because he's wanting the bags but he's not getting them. So that's the one disappointing thing. I thought they might have had the pattern inside it. You go online. I don't know if you can download the pattern. I'll go online and I'll have a look and I'll let you know. So what you get in, you get the little, oh look at this, you get the little walking mechanism that you wind up and get that out of there. Now there is a little age restriction on these, like you don't want to give these to babies. And look at this. Oh, I love it. Look at that. So you can go on their website, you can buy these on their own, these little things. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Muttley doesn't like it, but but you get the size of crochet hook you need. I've got these crochet hooks myself. These are good crochet hooks. So this is a 2mm, and the yarn, you use a small hook, and this is this nice cozy fluffy sort of chenille yarn. There should be enough there to make your little animal. And there's a little piece of black. You get all the little bits that you need. There's a couple of little stitch markers. I think that's a little nose. There's a little bow, a key ring. Muttley, you can't have it. And a little glue stick, but no glue gun to stick it. I think that's to stick it once you've made it. It'll be to stick it on around here on the bottom. If you don't have a glue gun, you can use other glue to stick your little animal on, or I wouldn't use double-sided tape unless it's really strong stuff. So that's what you get in the kit. I know that you've got to go online for the pattern, but I would have preferred a little pattern in here. I'll just pop that in there. But all that together. So you get most of the kit, and then you'll go online to their here, or you can scan that, go on their website, and you'll be able to get the pattern. I think you can download it. I'll do that myself. I'll do that. And then this one is absolutely hilarious. Hilarious. Now, I was going to do this tonight, and my printer's not working very well. And if I've got to download the pattern or sit online and read it, that is the only downside to it, I think. Now, look at this. This is a dancing sunflower. So we've got the little elephant, and we've got a dancing sunflower. Now, it plays music, apparently. Now, oh, here it is. This is it. Oh, look at this. This is the inside of it. As you can see, it is quite large. I'll try and bring my camera up a little bit. I've got a new camera, and it doesn't go up very high. So, I've got this. Oh, where's the bottom? Oh, there's the bottom. Oh, that's not so good. Look at this. I don't know if they maybe came out of the bag. There's a couple of darning needles. Now, I don't know if there's 2 darning needles because there's 2 kits and they've just been thrown in the box. That's not very good if they come out of the box was in a bag. It was in another bag. Now, I know that this is musical, so I've got myself some batteries. It takes 3 batteries, so I've been running around looking for batteries. Right, let's see what this does. Is it off? Is it on? It's off. Right, it's off. And then you would put the bottom on. Now, I took the batteries out of my mouth, so I'm not going to close it just now. I'll put these darning needles to the side. Now, let's see, let's turn it on, see what it does. Nothing. I've got to turn it on. Oh! Look at that! Did that say my girlfriend? Wait a minute. My girlfriend. Right, what else is it playing? Oh! What was that? Oh, it's recording! Oh, I love it just like that. Oh, it's listening, really. You bark. Quiet. Quiet. You having a look? You can get it to bark like a dog. What's that side do? Shh, Molly. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, I don't know tune. I don't know about this one. It might be inside telling you what it's for. Every time you turn it off and on, it does something else. Oh, and I think you maybe press this one so it records. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the... Oh my... Oh, I need to turn it off. Right, we'll turn it off. I'm going to choke myself. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Please.
Welcome back to my channel.
I didn't give you much chance to say anything. Oh, I like this. Right, I've turned it off. I've turned it off just now. So you saw what the base does, and it's quite large. So we'll look at the kit. So you get stuffing, you get glue. Oh, there's wire. What's the wire for, I wonder? There's wire. Oh, that's to make it bend, maybe. But I thought that's what that was for. No, that doesn't move. We'll find out. You get, that's what it's supposed to look like when you've done. I don't know what it's going to look like when I do it. That's for sure. And there we go. And again, I'm going to go online and see about the pattern. It's just a little shame that there's not just a little printed pattern in them. You get all the yarn that you need. And again, you get a hook. It's a 2mm crochet hook again. And you get these. So those darning needles must have been put in the box because there's 2 kits in the box. And that's why I think I've got the 2 darning needles. Now, I've got this. There's little eyes. Now, I think they're sticky on eyes. But I do have safety eyes. So it's not going to be something that you can give to a very young child and leave them with it. You've got your little stitch markers again. There's a little bit to make. Now, I don't think I would be I don't think I would be putting that onto a keyring, but at least you've got the keyring there anyway that you can use for other things. There's 3 stitch markers in that, a couple of eyes, and that's what's in the bag. This is absolutely amazing. I'm going to leave. There's 12. Now, I do know there's 12 singing, dancing, different crochet kits. But they've got lots of different kits. Lots of different kits. And you can buy the accessories. You can even buy these things on their own. And then that way you can make your own singing, little singing, dancing things. So you can go on and you can buy these on their own on the website, and then you can make up your own little pattern. So if you're good at doing little animals, you can make a little teddy bear and have it dance. You can make little bunny rabbits and things, and then just put them on and it'll dance dance around. So I'm going to download the pattern, and I will make another video and show you the results of my crochet. I'm not very good at little tiny fiddly sort of things because of my hands, but we'll give it a go. It looks quite easy. We've got like black, and then I sent my sister a picture of this, and that's her replying to it. She'll be like, "Where'd you get that?" And then you've got these, maybe that's what the wire's for, the leaves. You've easy enough to do those, and its little face should be easy enough to do. So I'm going to download the pattern, if I can download it. If not, I'll bring it up on my phone, and then I'll just follow it on my phone and stick it to that. Now, I do have a glue gun. The only problem is, if you don't have a glue guns are very cheap anyway these days. You can use other glue to glue it. I take it you're going to glue it around here onto this piece here, and you'll just find the buttons through the crochet to press it. It's quite loud as well, so it's not as if it's very quiet. And I'm sure the lights will still shine through. My sister's like, "You're crazy, what are you doing? What are you doing?" Well, she said, "What you got?" Sandra's coming down tomorrow, so I'll be able to see Sandra tomorrow. I'm going to turn this back on. But I will leave the links to Hi Crochet, to their website. Have a look. Some of this stuff is hilarious. They've got those little bobblehead things as well. You can buy the little bases with springs in and make your own little bobbleheads. And there's bobblehead kits as well. There's lots and lots of different kits to look at. There is a beginner, there is a intermediate, and there's an advanced. So there's 3 different levels of crochet in there. You've got to find something, and this is hilarious as a gift. This, if you've got someone that loves to crochet and they've got this is just absolute. I've got a little bit of a dirty mind running through here, and oh, if you're really good at crochet, you could crochet other things and put them on this. It's absolutely hilarious. It really is. I think it's fantastic. Now, once you've got your batteries in, you can put the bottom on. I think they've left it like that so you can put the batteries in there like that. Once you've got it in, screw them in. But I need to take that one back out for my mouse and get some more batteries for it. Absolutely hilarious. Oh, hilarious. I can't even say the word. I feel laughing so much when I open this parcel. So I will leave all the links. Have a look. Well, this the one link for the website. Have a look at it because it's amazing. It really is. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to turn this back on and see if it'll record everything. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. And give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting. And I'll see you all again soon. And I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.